With crime and violence on the rise, safety and security have become major concerns. In this week's episode of the Business Review, we look into security. Technology company Rush Alert says it has the solution.
A company birthed through tragedy.
Rush Alert was inspired by the death of my cousin Rashidi Samuda. While one Sunday evening on his way to the ice cream shop, he was abducted, robbed of his cell phone, and brutally murdered.
It's what propelled the chief operating officer of Rush Alert, Dane Williams, to enter the business of transit security using technology. He explained how the application works.
Let's say a person senses some form of distress, right? They can go in the application, send an alert, and that goes to the campus police and their emergency contacts, who can then respond in real time. Now, you may ask the question, what if you're in a distress situation and you're not able to reach your cell phone? Well, the app has built-in mechanisms where the app will automatically send out your live location and phone battery life to your emergency contact without you even have to go into the application.
You can also merge your phone details with an emergency contact. Marvin Richards is the CEO.
Abduction and crime and violence is on the rise in Jamaica. So one of the core features inside the application is what we call a trips feature. So say for instance, I'm leaving from Papine and I'm going to Ligani. I can go inside the application and I can tell the application that this is my location and I'm going here. And I can set timely interval for the application check on me. So on my journey to Ligani, probably I set 5 minutes. Whenever that 5 minutes elapses, the app will send me a push notification asking if I've arrived at my destination safe. If the app does not get a response, it will send me that notification 2 more times. If it still doesn't get a response, it will automatically send out my live location and my phone battery life to my emergency contact, notifying them that I might be in possible danger.
Still in its infant stages, the company is being financed through the support of local and international partners. The owners are hoping to start earning a profit by next year. They also want to open the application to users across the world.
For the past 3 years, we had been developing the application, moving through the different iteration stages, and we were able to secure a 5-year licensing contract with the University of the West Indies because we are also students at UWI, Mona. So we're able to secure that licensing agreement because the university takes security very serious, and they wanted to provide something that they can keep their students and staff safe on and off campus.
The application will be upgraded over the next 2 months. For the Business Review, I'm Aisha Nation.